In this video, we talk about whether or not bodyweight workouts are enough to build a physique like Tom Holland. What is up, heroes? My name is Connor and welcome to Athletic Assault, where we combine superheroes and fitness to help you attack your dreams. In this video, we're going to be talking about whether or not you can get ripped like Tom Holland by just doing bodyweight exercises. I think the first thing that you need to understand is how you build muscle or how you build lean muscle to get ripped. And the way that you build muscle is adding enough resistance to that muscle to force change, and then also providing enough nutrients to that muscle to invoke growth. By understanding that, we can very easily tell that doing body weight exercises and body weight workouts really can provide enough resistance to force change in your muscles. It can help you get ripped like Tom Holland, because your body weight is actually the resistance that you need, or whatever movement you are doing, that is the resistance that is forcing change in your muscles. Now you have to understand that there's going to be a time as you start doing body weight workouts that you have to add more reps, and that's the resistance, or more sets, and that's the resistance, or you have to do a totally different movement. Say you're doing push-ups, and you start doing push-ups, and all of a sudden you get to a point where you can do 200 push-ups a day, no problem. Well, then you need to step it up to plyo push-ups, and you need to add more resistance to that movement so that you force change on your muscles. And that's why, we talk a lot about strength training on this channel, because you can add more and more weight and that causes change. But with bodyweight exercises, you can still provide that change just with your body weight. Now you might have to add reps, you might have to change up the exercise a little bit, like the push-up, changing it to a plyo push-up, but it is still going to cause change. And especially if you're a beginner, if you've only been working out for a little over a year, bodyweight exercises can be great to help you learn the technique, help you prevent injury, and help you get started with working out. It's also just a great exercise. I love combining bodyweight exercises with my strength training. Like today, I'm going for a run and then I'm doing some bodyweight workouts, but I also lift 3 to 4 times a week. And so it is a great way to add strength training and cardio, because bodyweight exercises honestly are a combination of both. Say you're doing push-ups and lunges, that's strength training. Your body weight is the resistance, and you're adding more strength to your upper body and your lower body with those two movements. But then all of a sudden you throw jumping jacks in the middle of each set, or burpees in the middle of each set. That is the cardio, keeping your heart rate up. And it's a great combination to do to help you burn fat and get ripped like Tom Holland. So you see that it is definitely possible for you to build muscle and to get ripped like Tom Holland by just using bodyweight movements. I think it's great to combine bodyweight with strength training, because you can add a little bit more resistance to that strength training very easily by just adding weight to the bar. But it is definitely possible to just do it with bodyweight movements by upping the reps, upping the sets, or changing up the movement a little bit by doing a plyo push-up or a jump lunge. Different variations like that will help add more resistance to those exercises. Heroes, your homework for this video is to look in the description below. I have 30 free body weight workouts for you down there. So click on the link, download the 30 free body weight workouts, and start doing them today to start getting into a rhythm and a habit of health so that you can build a body like Tom Holland. Guys, if this video was helpful, I hope that you will consider subscribing, because we talk all about superheroes and fitness on this channel, and I would love for you guys to join us here. Heroes, that is it for this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Later, heroes.